From near death to billions, the untold strategy. Everyone laughed when two teenagers said they would beat India's biggest delivery giants. Two kids versus billion-dollar companies? A joke, right? But while others laughed, these teenagers were quietly building a speed machine. Not food delivery, not groceries delivery. A time delivery company. Because in the modern world, time is the real currency. The origin story. Gandhi pandemic. Two 19-year-old friends stuck at home in Mumbai. They wanted groceries, but delivery apps took hours. So they asked a simple question. What if groceries arrived in 10 minutes instead of 2 hours? Big companies didn't even take that question seriously. But Adit Palicha and Kaivalya Vohra did. They dropped out of Stanford, moved back to India. They borrowed scooters and started delivering vegetables themselves. No fancy office, no funding. Just speed and obsession. Strategy reveal. While everyone else expanded slowly, Zepto did something radical. Built dark stores every 1-2 kilometers, stocked only fast-moving essentials, created AI-driven route systems, focused on hyper-local clusters, operated with military precision. Competitors laughed at them. Analysts called them crazy kids. Until the numbers arrived. 10-minute delivery plus discipline plus tech, the fastest growing startup in India's history. The war? Zomato tried, Swiggy tried. Blinkit almost died and needed Zomato to survive. But Zepto had one thing they didn't. No legacy to protect, no ego, no excuses. They didn't innovate slowly. They attacked the problem like engineers, not businessmen. While traditional companies optimized, Zepto reinvented the model. Pain point plus lesson. Everyone saw delivery. Zepto saw speed as a service. Everyone looked at profits first. Zepto looked at customer time first. And here's the truth. In business, the one who saves the consumer's time controls the market. Speed is the ultimate luxury. Final punch. From two teenagers with a dream to a company worth 1 billion in 18 months. Not because they were lucky, but because they solved the problem deeper and faster than anyone else. So if you're building something today, remember, don't compete where others are. Compete where no one believes you can win. That's where legends are built. Call to action. This was the Zepto case study, the startup that outran billion-dollar giants. If you love business stories that reveal real growth secrets, hit subscribe. Because the next video. How Zerodha grew without ads. The silent billion-dollar empire is going to blow your mind.